Ngucanio cia utongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee cironekana ta citeguthiraga ciatira na riu ndugamano ino nioete mwerekero ungi mweru thutha wa irua riria rirekereirio ni wabici ya mwandikithia wa ciama cia kiuteti ria kwanirira ati mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Kioni na munini wa muikariri giti David Murathe ni mahaguritwo kuma utongoria-ini ta uria mwaho wa kanini kega wendekithitie.
All the other officials, as per now, they are still officials up and until anything else, any other action happen, except the two that is from record.
On numerous number of occasions, she has been asked to publish the officials of Jubilee, but she has always refused. And the question was, why?
Mwaho wa kanini ni wandikire wabici ya Anderito tariki 19 mweri uyu irua ria kuria Derito etikanirie na itua ria kuhagura eri acio no irua riria rirekereirio ni Derito umuthi rionanitie ati itua ria kumahagura ria kinyaneirio muthenya ucio ni wabici ya Derito na haha kigia na ciuria nyingi cia kiria giatumire itua rikinyaneirio muthi wa gatano kiumia githiru no irua riumire umuthi.
This letter was supposed to have been served on us, or the decision is supposed to have been done before the NDC so that they nullify the resolutions of NDC.
We served all those people affected by that decision through email. So they were just correcting today the hard copies.
Why the letter dated 19th of May is being served at the registrar's office at 2:20 p.m. on the 23rd of May.
We made the decision on Friday, signed that letter on Friday, so our record department must because the advance copy either go the same day or the following day.
Tariki 28 mweri wa kana mutongoria wa Jubilee Uhuru Kenyatta ni etirie mucemanio wa NEC wa gubanga kigomano kiria kiracokire kuhanika muthenya wa ira no afisi ya Derito yugite ati mucemanio ucio ndwakinyiria ithabu ria aria magiriire ni gukorwo mariho na kana riu afisi ya Derito ni ratambura mucemanio wa ira no ndungi ureyumiria.
The meeting of 28th lacked quorum, and because of that the resolutions made in that meeting therefore false.
Quorum is what is in the Kenya Gazette. Everybody else attended as an ex-official.
Umuthi Derito ni amukirire maria marakinyaneirio ni kigomano kia Jubilee muthenya wa ira na riu gukigia na kiuria kingi angikorwo ni ekirite muhuri kweherio gwa Kioni ari ta mwandiki munene guthire atia etikira Kioni amunengere maratathi ma kiria kirakinyaneirio.
Now have the copies received here.
We receive documents from any person who come to us.
Mwaho wa Kioni ni worotete wabici ya Derito kiuga ati ni aronania kuheo ritwa ngetheria ndugamano-ini ino ya Jubilee no Derito ni ateteire na njira nene ona gutwika Kioni riu ni aheanite mukana wa gutabania mirurungano iguru rigie uria wabici ino iratwarithia ndeto ino.
We cannot allow a public officer to be used by individuals who have no regard to multipartyism.
We don't feel like we are taking side, we cannot, and we are not interested in taking side. What for?
It is our prayer that this office is not being used to kill multi-party democracy.
Igoti ni riheanite itua ria kwamba kurugamia itua riothe ria kweheria Kioni na Murathe wabici-ini na kana itua riri ria igoti riri na uge hari itua riria wabici ya Derito ikinyaneirie no ndungi.
We have not acted against the law because we made the decision before the orders.
Orders have been issued and they should be followed.
Hadu ina Kameme TV ritwa ria kwa Nikimani wa Gujiri.